So guys, if you want to see how I prepare this yummy and delicious chicken and fish combined with egg stew, join me now, let me show you.
Hello, Lady P lovers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever you are watching me from, guys, it's your girl, Lady P Naija TV. So, guys, in today's recipe, I will be showing you how I prepare my chicken and fish stew, also combined with egg. Here are my ingredients I will be using. In here, I have my tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper. I blended everything together. I also steam it. So, in here, I have my extra virgin oil. Here is my tin tomatoes. Also, I have my chicken stock. I have my chopped onions. That's my egg. Also, I have my seasonings. I have my two seasonings. I have ginger, black pepper, curry, thyme, paprika. Okay, guys, so this is what I will be using. Stay tuned and watch me doing my cooking. I love you all.
So guys, I just have my pot in the gas. Now I will be adding my extra virgin oil. I will allow it to hot a little bit before I pour in my onions. So now I'll be adding my chopped onions. I will allow it to fry for 1 minute before I add in my tin tomatoes. Okay, now I will be adding my tin tomatoes. Here is my tin tomatoes. Okay, let me use my spoon to cut it. I'm just adding my tin tomatoes. Then I will allow it to fry for 3 minutes before I add in my blended tomatoes. Let me turn the rest. Okay guys, so guys, please, if you have not subscribed for your girl, please subscribe for me. Also like my video guys, and please guys, please help me to watch my adverts. Okay guys, to support your girl, watch my adverts if it is only 1 minute guys. Okay, to support me. I love you all. So now I will be adding my tomatoes. Wow, I just add it guys. Then I will stir it together. and allow it to cook very well. So I'm just turning it so that the tin tomatoes and the fresh one will get combined together. Okay, guys. So guys, now I will be adding my seasonings. I have a thyme, curry, ginger powder. I also have my paprika. Now I will add it at this point so that everything will cook together. Now I will give it a good stir. Also, let me add my 2 seasonings. So here is my 2 seasonings. So guys, as I will be adding my meat stock to cook together. So I just adding my meat stock. Now I will cover it to cook. I will be back, guys. So guys, let's check on the stew. Wow. So guys, now I will be adding my, let me give it a good stir before I add my chicken. Wow. So guys, do you see that? So now I will be adding my, at this point I will lower my gas. Now I will just add my chicken. Here is my chicken, guys. I'm just adding my chicken. Let me give it a good stir. Then I will cover it to cook again for like 5 minutes before I add my fish. Okay guys, I will be back. So guys, let's check on the stew. Wow. So now I'll be adding the fish. There's my fish. I'll be adding it now. And just add the fish. Okay guys, so now I will be adding the egg too. Wow. Okay guys, I'm almost done. Now that everything is inside, I will just cover it 2 to 3 minutes. I will turn off my gas. Okay guys, as you can see, everything is ready. So guys, wow, here is the finished look of my stew guys. This is the outcome. Okay guys, so I will be leaving you guys for now. Please, if you have not subscribed for your girl, subscribe to my channel guys. Okay, I promise I will be giving you a wonderful cooking recipe. Okay guys, I love you all. Bye. Okay guys, my chicken stew is served. As you can see guys, this is how I will be enjoying my chicken and fish combined with egg stew. Okay guys, so thanks for watching guys. I love you all. See you in my next one. Bye.